Hi. Come on up, Morris. Come on. Hi. Come here. Hi. Good morning. How's it going, bud? Come on up, Mart. I will be taking Gray to the vet here a little bit. I guess I never filmed an ending video last night after I got home because I was tired and I had stuff to do, but I thought her eye looked reasonably normal. I'm hoping for a good report this morning. We're supposed to get some rain tonight, so I'm going to hold off on watering this morning too much. First off, I don't have time before the vet, and second off, you know, if it's going to rain tonight, then why do that? Nothing like hitting the ground running.
Yeah, well, good luck at the vet with Gray.
Yeah, thanks for carrying her out for me.
You're welcome.
Be back in a bit.
Kiss, kiss.
It's 8:15. We got up at 7. Don's such a good guy. He took down the 4th of July inflatables and put up my sunflower honey gnome inflatable last night after he had his nap and while I was cooking dinner. Helped get me caught back up from being on the road yesterday. I'm going to come out and do the mini flags and put away a couple of other red, white, and blue things outside here in a bit. I've switched about half the house over to end of summer sunflowers, bright flower stuff. There's my buddy. Hey, bud, I'm coming right back out. There's sunflowers wherever there can be sunflowers. And I'm doing mini flags outside right now, and Don's working on some other stuff. I got about 4 hours more to do in the house with packing up shelves and swapping out fabrics, like the fabric on the kitchen table. I think the little mat there is cute as can be.
It is. It can't get any cuter than that.
So what are you doing for me? Tell them what you're doing for me.
Well, I've mounted a new Yolink motion detector. This is the one that you can drive automation routines on.
That's right. It works with A, and I have a new routine that says if motion, and it's between 1 a.m. and 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Turn garden, aka the high impact velocity sprinkler, on in the side yard for 5 minutes and then turn it off.
That's right. So
yeah.
We got that, and I'm putting another camera, a Ring camera, at her new bird bath fountain.
Yeah, the big
fountain that turned into a bird bath.
Yeah, the tall blue one. There's birds over there. Enough bird activity. They're setting off the motion sensor.
Right.
Like a whole bunch of them seem to come at one time, and I want to catch it and see what's going on over there.
Okay. Well, we can.
Yeah. So all the times the deer has slipped into the yard overnight, it's been right in here and up the pavers here. Either comes in by the side of the glider or over there. So this motion sensor will now pick that up. This is that Yolink low rye that travels a really long distance and doesn't do Wi-Fi. It does its own thing, and it works well. It's good for Wi-Fi challenge stuff. And there's the impact sprinkler, the oscillating, or whatever you want to call it. And here's the fountain with the new Ring camera, and hopefully we'll get some cool birds on the fountain. I know I need to clean it. I'm not doing that right now. You got to be super careful. I don't want to rub the paint off. We're going out to run some errands. A little late, but not too late. It's
yeah, well,
5:45.
The deer have to have corn.
We need steaks, and I got to play Pokemon. So there's that.
Yeah.
And I was telling Don he's at 89.7 miles. I told him 5, so it's a little over 10 to get his 100-mile confetti. I set him up for success here, so don't mess it up. Yeah. I'm just kidding.
I appreciate that. I'll try not to mess it up.
I see you wore the appropriate shirt to Tractor Supply. Eaterville, 100 Years of Progress, Carthage, North Carolina.
Got my red on.
Well, that too, but the tractor shirt. And of course, Tractor Supply has a Halloween skeleton and a bull with red eyes. Yes, indeedy, that would be 4 more bags of deer corn.
Spend more money. The Tractor Supply. I guess I'm glad I got a Cybertruck.
I got what I needed at Harris Teeter, and I'm over at Dollar General near South Park now, and they are getting their Halloween on early. Some really cool stuff. Well, we still need 3 more miles to get the streak. We just